Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi my fellow June bugs, thank you for joining me again today in this video. Today I am sharing with you guys my latest Louis Vuitton handbag purchase as promised in my latest video. But before I do start, to anyone who is new to this channel, welcome. My name is June. I'm a doctor and I love fashion and luxury and do YouTube videos in my spare time. So if you are into these type of videos and you're curious about my life, do subscribe. I would love to have you here and join my little YouTube family. I will start off the video by saying this is not a true unboxing. I've actually had this bag for quite some time now, and I actually purchased this last year and I even filmed an unboxing video for that, but I really wanted to refilm it because this bag is actually different to that bag that I initially shared with you guys, and so I just had a few more things to say and give you guys sort of an update on what actually happened. If you watched my wishlist video, you would definitely know what this bag is, and I actually have a vintage version of this bag, and since owning that I've been sort of obsessed with getting this style. So I'm actually really excited to share this new handbag with you guys because it's been quite some time since I last purchased a brand new bag from Louis Vuitton. I think the last brand new bag that I purchased from Louis Vuitton was in 2015, and that was on my 23rd it can't be my 26th birthday. I'm turning 30 this year, so it's been quite a while. That was my Pochette Matisse. The reason being is because I haven't really liked any of the new stuff that they've come out with. I really like the classics from Louis Vuitton, but recently Nicolas Ghesquière has killed it with the Palm Springs Mini, with this bag, and also like the hat box, the boy chapeau, very cute, and the petite mouth. However, the prices are really going up, and I'm not able to justify them anymore. So as cute as they are, it's getting really expensive for a canvas bag. Okay, so for a bag in general, you know, you would say the price is reasonable, but knowing that it's made out of canvas and not actual leather, that's where like my mind really struggles, and you know, that's why I can't really justify it. But let me just show you the bag and I'll talk a bit more about it. So it comes in this big box right here, which is crazy because it's not this big, and just is the Louis Vuitton packaging right there. It is actually the Christmas packaging because I bought it at Christmas time. It's been quite some time since I actually have had this, and then opening it up to reveal, look how tiny the bag is. It's like covers half of the box. I just don't understand why they put it in such a big box, and then they don't even like have that many like air papers around it. So anyways, that was a bit weird. Let me reveal to you guys my latest handbag purchase from Louis Vuitton, and that is the hey, it's my Louis Vuitton hands bag, and this is in the reverse monogram. Is it not the cutest little handbag you've ever seen? She's so stunning. It is like a showstopper in my opinion. It looks so good. How did I get my hands on this bag? So in my wishlist video I sort of mentioned that I actually inquired about it, and they said that there's a 40-week wait, which is insane. Yeah, they said 40 weeks, which is like nearly a year, you guys. So I wasn't even sure if I was going to get it in time for my 30th birthday, but I put myself on the wait list because I really wanted to get it, at least have a look at it in person. And so I didn't really plan to have this sort of last year even. Matter of fact, I already bought myself another bag for Christmas for myself. So this was really unexpected, but then, you know, not even 6 weeks later, they contacted me and said that this bag was available, and I was like, well, shit. I guess I'm gonna have to get it because they had my credit card and they come charged it, and it was already on its way to me. So that is the story of how I got this. 40 weeks is definitely not 6 weeks. I just feel like they lied. It's not even in like the ballpark. It's like not even close. So I don't know where 40 weeks came from. I don't know if they were just trying to like hype up the bag. I'm not 100% sure, but did not take me that long to get it. Now this bag is actually not the bag that was shipped to me. When I received that bag, it was a made in Italy piece. I mean, I was bummed about, but I didn't really mind. But the one thing that really bothered me was the feet on the bottom. So it's got brass feet, and it had some deep scratches. So I wasn't 100% sure whether it was maybe a return or if it was like a store stock and people were like playing around with it. I'm not 100% sure, but for the price, because you guys, this is 3,250 Australian dollars, I think, from memory. Got the receipt here. So yeah, it is 3,250 Australian dollars, which is insane. Oh yeah, and did you guys know that when you buy it in store now, they don't give you the paper receipt, they give you just like a printout, which is, I mean, they said it's because they're using way too much paper, so you know, good for them, but obviously it doesn't feel as luxurious. But yeah, anyways, this is $3,250, which is like an insane amount of money for a canvas bag. So the fact that it had scratches on the bottom, I was just not happy with. I really wanted it to be in perfect condition. So I contacted them, I sent them photos, and they basically told me to go to my nearest Louis Vuitton store. And I was like, well, what are they going to do? They said that I can't even get this for like ages. So I thought that I was going to have to be put back on the wait list. I don't know, I was just like, should I just keep it, because I don't want to have to wait so long. But yeah, I wasn't happy, so I did end up going back to Louis Vuitton, and they were like, yep, we've got one upstairs, we can exchange it for you. What? I was just like, how is this possible? Like, the number of times I've gone to Louis Vuitton and asked about it, they never have it, and then, you know, conveniently they have one when I'm trying to exchange it. I don't know. Anyways, I don't know how it works, but I feel like they're hiding these bags, you guys. So they exchanged it, and this one is the one that I have now, and this one is a made in France piece, which is a bonus. Honestly, it wasn't a deal breaker. I would have still kept it whatever country it was made from, but made in France, and it's in perfect condition. There was still some scratches on the bottom, but certainly not as deep and as much as my original one. And so yeah, this is now my newest baby. So let me just go through the bag and show you a bit more detail what it looks like. So this is the Louis Vuitton Cans bag. This is actually inspired by their vintage version, which is much bigger, and it was originally sort of like a cosmetics case. I have it. Let me just try and get it. So I purchased the vintage version last year. It is much bigger, as you can see. Oh, so cute. It's like a little baby. So much bigger, as you can see. I think this one is still really cute as like a top handle, as like a little statement piece. This is in the epi version. They also do have an epi, but it comes with silver hardware, and this did not come with a strap originally. I just put this one on myself. I do have a video on this on my Instagram stories if you want to see how I did that. But yeah, this one does come with a strap. You can add straps to the sides there. The interior is made of like microfiber interior. It's all black, and it's pretty plain on the inside. It doesn't have any pockets, which is a bit disappointing considering this one does. It's just got it on the back just there, and I find that that's actually really convenient, putting like cards and loose bits and bobs in there. But it does sort of flake, so maybe that's why they removed it. They didn't want to have that issue of flaking in the interior pocket. Not 100% sure, but yeah, it's just plain black on the inside, and then no pockets on the outside. It's just one top zip, which can be a little bit cumbersome and annoying for some people. It does come with this black adjustable strap, and you just sort of put it onto the sides here, and this strap size is actually really nice and fits me fine. It's not too long or not too short. It also comes with a lock. This is what it looks like. This look looks different to me, but I haven't purchased a Louis Vuitton bag in a while. But you just put it on the side here. Once you sort of zip up the side, you can just lock it to complete it. So there's not a lot of bells and whistles in terms of pockets to this bag, but I just love like the overall look of it. This is probably as close as I'm getting to hard case type of bag from Louis Vuitton. It is like pretty sturdy. It's not as hard as the original ones, but I really love this look. I am falling in love with the reverse monogram here, and I'm so thinking of getting more like canvas pieces in this reverse. It's just so beautiful. Yeah, I love her. She is so beautiful, and I just, She just looks like a work of art, honestly. She is such a statement like piece, and you don't see that many people have it, so I'm really happy to have this in my collection. I know that a fellow subby has also received this bag. Hey babe, hi if you're watching. I saw your video. Congrats on your latest purchase. We're officially bag twins. So exciting. But yeah, this is such a gorgeous piece, you guys. If you do want it, go and put yourself on the wait list or contact someone. I don't think they're as hard to come by as people say. Like, I don't know, I'm not 100% sure, but when I called, you know, yes, there was a few weeks wait, but yeah, it wasn't like a year like they said, so I'm calling them out on that bullshit. So yes, you guys, that is it. Let me know if you want me to do like a what's in my bag. If you want to see how I style that, definitely check out my Instagram. I will be posting so many pictures of this bag on my Instagram. Guys, this is like my most expensive Louis Vuitton bag that I've ever bought, which is insane. But I honestly just love this. And even just as like a decoration piece, like this bag is such a work of art. It's so beautiful, and like how cute is it having the big mama next to it. This is actually a really big bag, and you can fit so much in here. You can fit like a full-size DSLR. So if you don't want to pay like $3,250 for this, which is, you know, fair enough, get this one, and you can get these for like really good conditions for like under $1,000. And yeah, just have to shop around, and this fits so much, and I think it's still just as beautiful. And remember, they have it in the epi, which looks exactly like this, but yeah, in this size. So yes, that is it, you guys. That is my latest reveal slash unboxing. Thank you so much, you guys, for joining me in this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already. Give it a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this. Let me know what your thoughts are on that bag, and let me know if it's something that you've been on the wait list for, or if you like have had that same experience with me where they tell you one thing and it's the complete opposite. This is very interesting, you know, this what they say and what actually happened. As I said, I have purchased quite a few items while I was away, so if you do want me to keep revealing and sharing with you guys what I bought, do let me know. But also, if you want me to sort of break it up a little bit, I'd be more than happy to do that. Just let me know what you guys prefer. I do have an unboxing that I filmed last year that I will upload after this one. I hope you guys don't mind. It was just a really fun unboxing, and I'm so happy with that purchase. And that was actually the bag that I purchased for myself for Christmas / ending 2018. But yes, anyways, you guys, I'm gonna go. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.